Hey friends, if you encounter limited Wi-Fi connection problem in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first solution is to reset the network. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Then go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced network settings. Click on network reset and then click on reset now and finally on yes. And then you will also have to reboot the system. In most of the cases, this will solve the problem if the internet was working with other devices connected to the same router. The next solution is to forget the network and reconnect. Click on this option here, the system tray. Expand the list of networks. Right click on the active network and select forget. Click on connect to the network and enter the key once again. And hit enter and see if it connects now. Mostly it will connect. The next solution is to disable IPv6. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Okay. Now right click on the Wi-Fi network and then select properties. And then you'll find an option called Internet Protocol version 6. Uncheck it and then click on OK to save the settings. The next solution is to update the network drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Now expand the list of network adapters. Right click on the first network adapter, which is the MediaTek Wi-Fi one, actually the second one, and select Update Drivers and search automatically for drivers. The last solution is to power cycle the modem, router and computer. Now I'll explain this process. While keeping the modem, router and computer connected, switch off all these three devices. Then switch on the modem only and wait for the lights to be stable. Then switch on the router and wait for the lights to be stable. And finally switch on the computer. It will pick up the correct IP address. But if this doesn't work, then you can check this case whether you have a modem and router combined. In that case, you will have to switch on the router only and then the computer only after the lights are stable. And lastly, you can always run the network troubleshooter. Okay, I'll mention it here. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the network troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.